It's on. Action. Hey guys, have I told you lately that you're awesome and you're wonderful? And I missed you already, and it's just after school on Monday. Anyways, so I have to get to it because I don't want to talk forever, and y'all don't want to sit here and listen to me forever, not do anything fun in front of you. Anyways, okay, so definitely follow Champs. Remember, lots of links for those of you that follow the Champs. Level 0 while I'm talking, obviously, while you're watching the video. Raise your hand for anything. To answer, get the sub's attention, stop the video, right? So I will review the things we need to work on. So today's kind of review day. You, because you guys are going to review some things that I kind of saw, like, hey, I still am nudging you towards some of these things that we've got to work on. So this is kind of those things that we're going to work on today. You may not get up during this lesson while this video is on. Keep your booty on the ground. Okay. And make sure you're listening, looking, eyes on the screen. You don't need a pencil right now. You don't even have paper in front of you right now. So eyes up. We're not playing with the boxes, right? If you are sitting on the boxes, just sit and watch, all right? Just kind of like it's TV or something. Okay, so first thing we need to work on, 2-digit multiplication. I've got the test right here. Woo, close up, okay? I was looking through, and let me first start by telling y'all, you did an amazing job. This was the hardest test that we've ever taken, you probably ever have taken in your life. So I'm proud of you, for real, I'm being for real, y'all, okay? But so many times, 2-digit times 1-digit came up, right? Like the vegetable garden problem. 5 rows that have 16 carrots in it, in each row. Okay, it came up with the Dante. Oh, this one. Okay, Dante counted square tiles on a rectangle floor, right? Came up with that one. Where else did we have it? Oh man, this one, remember the area one? You had to do a whole bunch of multiplication. That it definitely came up with. Where is the one that I am thinking of? Okay, so most of y'all did this one yesterday. A baseball league bought 6 boxes of baseballs. Each box contained 24 baseballs. So you guys did this. You did awesome. Y'all were like, all right, 6 boxes. As soon as you heard that, you drew this on there. Amazing. I was super impressed with that. Then you read that there was 24 baseballs in each box. So you guys all had this on your page or something like this. And then you got here and you're like, There's lots of things you can do. You could add 24 6 times. But if you notice, 24 is repeating itself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So any time that something's repeating itself, right? Think, oh, I can multiply 24 times 6 times, right? Okay, so this is where we're getting stuck also, right? Most of you guys are doing real good with this step. 4 times 6, 24. Okay, you're regrouping. All of that's good. But I want you to pay attention to this next step, because this is where you're messing up. Okay, so we're going to pretend that after we've taken care of the 4 in the 24, that all that's left is the 20 and the 6, right? So you've got to do 20 times 6 first. So we're just going to think 2 times 6 is 12, but some of us are forgetting to add on what we regrouped from the ones place. So 12 plus 2 is 14. So don't forget that step right there. So let me put my 4 back on there, right? So originally we did 4 times 6 was 24. And then we did 2 times 6 is 12. Plus 2, 14. Okay? So practice that today. some basic facts on your worksheet today. Okay, another thing that came up a whole bunch, division. Like the one about, I forget the kid's name, but he had 28 toy cars, right? And then he was going to put it on 4 shelves. So I was super impressed with y'all. All y'all drew that shelf on your page somehow. You had 4 boxes or whatever. Like all y'all had this on there, but then you got here and you didn't know what to do with this. Some of y'all thought about it like, oh, it's 28, 28, 28, 28, but that doesn't make sense, right? So if you've got a total, remember, he's got 28 cars. That's all. Like, that's what he's working with. And he's going to put them equally, because it said equally onto each shelf. So you are equally sharing these 28 onto each shelf like this. Division every time, guys. So 28 divided by 4. You could have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So I equally ended up at 28, right? And each shelf has the same number. Each shelf has 28. Now, if you want to actually write out what's happening, 4 shelves, we're taking 28 cars and we're putting them. That word right there, put. I looked back at y'all said every division question had somebody putting something equally into boxes or shelves or something. So look for that, okay? So 28 divided by 4 you can do with the picture. That's why I urge you to draw a picture. Or skip count by 4s up to 28. Y'all all know your 4 song. I've heard y'all sing it. So 4, 8, 12, 15. No, listen to me. I can't even do it. 4, 8, 12, 15. Yes. Am I off still again? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do this. 13, 14, 15, 16. I don't know why I'm getting off. There we go. 20, 24, 28. Okay, so I landed at 28. It took me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 7 should be in each group. Also, if you know 4 times 7 is 28, then you know your answer there, okay? So we're working on just this basic division today, right here. So skip counting, multiple towers, songs, do that. Okay, also things that come in rows, we've got to work on when we read literally that there are, I don't know, 6 rows of 15 things in a row, in each row. We've got to pay attention to that, okay? And we've got to realize what's happening with that. So this example was on the test. 9 rows of tiles and 36 tiles in each row, okay? So that means that there's 9 rows, and in each row there's 36 tiles. So that's row 1. Row 2, 36. Row 3, 36, right? And so on, right? For 6 rows. Okay, you guys got that on your paper. I'm super happy with where we are drawing pictures and stuff, so keep that up. But then it's kind of like the same thing as what happened in this problem, right? We get here and we're like, oh great, I've got to do all these 24s. Well, just ask yourself, 36 is happening 6 times, right? So Again, right? That's one of those things I told you we got to work on. But realizing that anything that comes in rows and it has the same amount in each row, look for that. We've got to work on that. We had trouble with that vegetable garden one because of that right there. Okay? So, even or odd. All right. For real, guys. A number. You do not need to look at any other place value other than the ones, because if that cannot be divided equally by 2 into 2 groups, then it is odd. If it can be divided by 2, right, like the donut thing, I'm looking up there right now at the donut poster, all right, 4 donuts. I can split it between I get 2 and you get 2. That's evenly split, right? So we only need to look at our ones place. If it is a 2, 4, 6, 8, or a 0, this is even. Because it can be divided in half or by 2. Okay? Some of us missed that one on the test, and so we got to work on that a little bit. Okay, last thing, fractions on a number line. This one I think is challenging. We're still working on this, okay? But y'all have got to realize that on a number line, right, if I were going to take a pair of scissors and to cut this, like if this were string, right? And I handed you a piece of string and I said, I need 3 parts. Please cut that string into 3 parts. You would cut here, here, and you'd have 1, 2, 3 parts of that string, right? Well, that has to match that bottom number, which is the most important part of a fraction. It tells you how many parts. The top only tells you on a number line how many jumps or how many parts, right? So if I said hand me 1/3 of that string that you cut for me, you would hand me this one piece out of 3, all right? So however you need to think about it, right? So that we need to work on too, okay? So I want you guys, assignment-wise, things we need to work on, right? So finish this page front and back. Looks really long. It's actually not. It's just this, a couple of this stuff that you're going to work on for me. Get this turned into green is Miss Mag's class, green basket. Blue is Miss E's room. So when y'all finish that, get it in the blue basket. Work hard on this, okay? And I want you to work up here in front of the sub, please, so she can help you out and watch what you're doing and make sure you're on task, okay? So, lots of links. I want to see good stuff on this. I don't know. Be good. I miss you. I'll come check on y'all and say hi during the day. But remember, no playing around. Get work during work time, okay? Follow directions. Even though Miss Mag's not here, follow directions, okay? I love y'all. You're awesome. Okay, bye.